Hello, lovely people! I just decided to change my usual hey guys to hello, lovely people. This is the first thing that came to my mind when I pressed that record button, so just a little bit change in the intros. Why not? It's needed. So today I'm gonna be doing a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. I usually don't do celebrity inspired makeup looks. For some reason, I don't know what is that reason, but I want to change that. The last video that I did that was inspired from somebody famous was, I think, like 2 years ago, which is like, whoa, way too long ago. So the look that I'm gonna be trying to recreate on my face today is this one here. Check it out. So cute, right? It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the pink eyeshadows. I love the baby tiny wink on her eyes. She looks beautiful. I got really inspired when I saw this photo because I love wearing pink eyeshadows on my eyes, and I think that the whole look is so soft and girly. So let's go ahead and move on to the fun stuff. As you can tell, I already have my foundation and my brows. This for me is like my base for my makeup, so I already laid the base, and now we can move on to the eyeshadows and to the more interesting stuff. Just a quick disclaimer here, I'm not trying to look like her, I'm just trying to recreate her makeup on my face, and I also have no idea what product she used, so I'm gonna work with whatever I have. And let me tell you, I turned my vanity upside down trying to find colors similar to what she's wearing. Okay, so wish me good luck. This is so much fun. I should do this more often. So I'm gonna take my Zuiva this is not Zuiva, this is Huda. I'm taking my Huda Rose Gold palette. This is the remastered one, and with a fluffy brush like this one, this is the Sigma E25, I'm gonna take this shade here. Now this color here is my top favorite from all of the colors in this palette. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna load my brush with it, and I'm placing that in my crease. I'm focusing most of the product in the outer half of my crease, and then I'm bringing it towards, you know, the inner half. Just slowly building up the color. Take your time with this. This is the only color, well, I think that this is the only color that I will use in my crease, so I want to make sure that it's nice and blended. You guys, I love this color so much. Just look at it, it's so pretty. And if you don't have the Huda palette, a color similar to this one is the Makeup Geek Cupcake. It's not 100% the same color, but it's very similar. Right, and you can see that her brow bone is really highlighted here. It doesn't look like it's shining highlight, it's more like matte highlight. So in order to achieve that, I'm gonna take a lighter shade of concealer. This is the Yayy, what it is, Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Lace. I'm gonna take some of it on the back of my hand here, and I'm gonna bring that under my brow. This is going to highlight it, and it's just going to brighten up that area there. I should have definitely done that before applying the eyeshadow, but oh well. I just noticed it. Trying not to create any harsh lines with this concealer. See, you can definitely tell the difference. This brow bone is much more brightened up than this one. I'll go ahead and set that area with some translucent powder. This one is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. And I'll also bring that same soft pink eyeshadow along my lower lashes. Okay, so on the eyelid, you can definitely tell that she has some shimmers going on. It's more like sparkly, so we have to add some sparkles on the eyelid. This is the conclusion that I came to. I usually don't like using multiple palettes to create one look in my videos, but I'm gonna do it today because in the Huda palette I can't find the exact shade of pink shimmery eyeshadow that Kylie has on her eyelid. So I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette, and I'm gonna mix on my finger these two shades here, this one and this one. Okay, I'm gonna take them on my finger, and this is going all over my eyelid area. I'm not sure if I'm seeing right. The only thing that I'm sure about is that I'm overly analyzing this look, but I think that she has some sparkles on her eyelids, like small tiny glitters, which I can't get with the shimmery eyeshadows. So I have this eyeshadow here by Nabla. It's like really pretty muted rose gold shade. It has bigger pieces of shimmers in it, and I think that it's going to be really suitable if I place it just in the center of my eyelid. So you know, I can get this like shiny effect in the center of my eyelid. But you guys know how much I love my glitter glue, right? So I'm gonna add some of it in the center of my eyelid so that I can get the full effect of that Nabla eyeshadow. And adding the shimmers. Oh, look at them! Oh, I love that. Can you guys see them? I don't know if the camera can catch that. Oh, I'm in love. Look at that. Let's do the same on the other eye. I just can't stop adding shimmers. Somebody help me. Look at them. Look at them. So nice and sparkly. I love that. Whew. Time to get that tiny baby wink on my eyes. It looks like it's a cool-toned brown liner, so I'm gonna take the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner in the shade Plot Twist. I've actually never used that before. I just swatched the color today, but look at that packaging, really cool. Let's do that. Okay, I noticed that her eyeliner started from the center of her eyelid, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. Somebody just remind me to breathe, okay? I also curled and coated my lashes with mascara, and now I can't really tell if these are her real lashes. I doubt, but if they are, then wow. Maybe these are lash extensions, maybe she's wearing falsies. I can't really know that, but I'm gonna add some falsies just to get some more length and volume. For this look, she doesn't really have very saturated lash hairs. As you can tell, you know, they have some gaps in between. They're not very dense. I found these lashes in my drawers, and I have absolutely no idea what the brand is because this is how I found them. I don't know where's the box. And I also have these pair of lashes, which again, I've lost the box and I have no idea what are they, how they're called, and where they came from, but I believe that these are by Motives, so yeah. Anyways, I won't just take them and glue them on my eyes. I'll actually just cut them and make like a nice mixture between this pair and this pair. This is getting complicated. I can see that she has some contour going on, some blush and highlighter. So moving on to the highlighter, I'm taking this one here by Nabla and making my cheekbone appear. And some blush. This one is by Sigma. It's called Nymphea. She has very nice subtle highlighter going on. I'll try not to overdo it and over glow myself. I'm using the Balm Mary-Lou all-time classic. Okay, now all we have left are the lips. Oh no, hold on. I forgot to add some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. I saw that she has some highlighter there, so I'm gonna add some as well. Now I swatched almost all of my pink slash purplish slash nude lipsticks in order to find something similar to what she's wearing. I'm not exaggerating and I'm not kidding. I was swatching lipsticks for like 20 minutes today. I found something similar. Now obviously she's wearing two colors on her lips. There is definitely some kind of a lip liner going on and then some kind of a lipstick. I'm guessing. I'm not gonna use any lip liner today, but I'm gonna mix two lipsticks. These are both by Yayy and the one is called Tony Rose. This one. I'm gonna start off with it. I'm gonna take some of it on the back of my hand and with a small lip brush I'm gonna use it to outline my lips and leave a gap in the center where the other shade will go. Okay, and the lighter shade is called Buff, so this is going in the center of my lips. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. As I also said at the beginning of the video, I love wearing pink. And when I saw this look, I was like, I'm recreating that. In fact, I was torn between this look. It's like really sultry and brown, and this one. And I decided to ask my boyfriend and he told me, do the pink one. So I did the pink one. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you like how the look came out, and let me know down in the comments whose makeup I should recreate next. I'm gonna be scrolling through the comments. I mean, I always do that, but I'm gonna be looking through your recommendations, so make sure that you leave yours down in the comments. And what else? You can give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, you can go ahead and do it now. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links, as always, down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one.